Welcome to Path to Math. Today we're going to be covering how to calculate your own credit card debt and how your credit card monthly interest adds on to that debt. We can use a formula I equals P times the percentage divided by 12. That P is going to represent your initial debt that you have on your credit card. The percentage represents the APY. A typical APY is going to be from 26 to 29%. So for this situation, let's say we have an initial debt of $450 and the percentage that we're locked in at is 28. We take those numbers, we plug them in, and we use our calculator to find out that we're going to be adding on $10.50 per month to our initial credit card debt. Now notice that 126 in the fraction. That 126 is the amount that you're spending throughout the whole year. But as we know, we add interest every month. So it's only going to keep stacking onto the previous month's owed debt. As you can see, it's relatively easy to figure out the amount of monthly interest that you're going to accrue on your credit card debt. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.